Bobby, did you pack your robot? Yes, Mom. It's in my backpack. And my teddy is here. The taxi is here. Let's go. Good morning. Where to? Airport, please. Near the main entrance. Why is the road so bumpy? The road is old. Are we going far? Yes, but not too far. I see airplanes. Keep the change. Thank you. Have a nice flight. Thank you. Bye-bye. First, we check in. What is check in? We give our bags to the plane. Tickets and passports, please. Here you are. Bags on the scale, please. My bag is small. Only toys inside. Boarding at gate B2. What is a gate? It is the door to the airplane. Like a big door? Bags here, please. Empty your pockets. Why does the machine make noise? It checks inside the bags. Is it safe? Yes. Arms up, kids. Good job. I feel like a robot. Now we go to gate B2. Why are we in a tunnel? This tunnel goes to the plane. The plane is huge. Welcome aboard. Thank you. Our seats have screens. Can I watch cartoons? Fasten your seatbelts. I want the window seat. Okay. The clouds look like cotton candy. Chicken, rice, or pasta? Chicken, please. Juice for me. Water, please. Prepare for landing. Is the plane tired? I see our blue suitcase. Good eyes. Where are we going now? To the hotel. After Teddy's nap, vacation starts. Yay.